Good evening, guys. Is it visible? Sorry for the delay, guys. Due to some issues, class is delayed. Any doubts until, guys? Up to now, anyone having doubts? If you have doubts, you can ask me. I think so. I have given one assignment for you, right? I have given an assignment for you. Palindrome, right? Palindrome program. Did anyone complete that? Anyone tried for it? Anyone completed that program? I'm not. I didn't send that. In the class, I have given that, right? In the class, I have told that. Try for palindrome. I have given example also. Madam, right? For madam, I have given example. Let's start our today's class, guys. Today we'll start about string programs. Let me create a class. My class name is palindrome. Okay. For this, I need a main method. Can anyone tell me the logic, guys? Today you will learn. Today your class may be extended, guys. Don't worry. By today we will end off the string programs. Okay. I will tell two important programs. In the two programs, you will get the all the logics. Okay. Can anyone tell me the logic for it? Palindrome. Public static. I will write a method. Okay. Here I will write a method for better understanding. Is palindrome method with arguments. This is my argument, guys. Okay. My method type is boolean type. So whenever I call this method for a string, it will tell me true or false. If it is a palindrome, it will tell true. If it is not a palindrome, it will tell false. Okay. Understood, guys? Someone have written the code also. Very well done. Now, first I need to convert that string to arrays. string to characters, right? So I need to compare the first character and last character. Let me open my word. I need to compare the characters in the string, right? First character and last character should be matched, and the second character and last button character should match like this, right? Right, madam. This is my palindrome, guys. Okay, the first character and the last character should be same. If both are same only, I should check second one, right? I should check this one. If both first one is not true, that means both are not matched. It is not needed to check this, right? Assume that like this. MADAN. Okay. If these are not matched, then it is not a palindrome, right? If these are not matched, then directly we can say it is not a palindrome. Am I correct, guys? Tell me. Please respond. If first and last are not matched, then directly we can say it is not a palindrome. If first and last is matched, this is matched, then I need to check the second characters, right? So for that, I will write a program here. First, I will convert the string into characters. Now I am converting that string into characters. After converting, I will take start equal to 0, comma, sorry, end equal to s dot length minus 1. Why I am taking minus 1, guys? Can anyone tell me why I am taking minus 1? Because index will always start with 0, 1, 2, 3. If these are the indexes, then length is 4. So to get the index values, I need to do length minus 1, right? I need to do length minus 1 to get the index value. That's why here I am taking minus 1. After this, what I will do is, I will take a while loop. See, guys, how simple it is. Just 3 lines of code. By this, your full program will be sorted, okay? Your full program will be sorted. I less than, sorry, not I, it is less than. Every time start should be less than end. If start is greater than end, that means assume that my start is 0 and my string length is 3. That is my end value is 3. If start become more than 3, is there any word, guys? See, start is 4, end is equal to 3. End index is 3, guys. Okay, start index is 4. The string will end by 3 itself. My start value is 4. At the time, there will be a character? No, right? If my start value is more than end, then there is no characters, right? Are you understanding, guys, what I am telling? Start equal to 4, okay? End equal to 5. If start becomes 6, is there any character at sixth one? At index 6, is there any character? Is there any character at index 6? My end is 5, okay? No, right? This is the end of the string. That means this 5 indicates this m. After this m, there is no characters. It is the end of the character. If it is there means whenever I give like this, it will get one exception, guys. index out of bound exception. Okay, null pointer exception. In arrays you will get index out of bound exception. In strings you will get null pointer exception. Okay, now I am checking the index values. After checking, I will write here. Can anyone guess? C index of start. I am comparing first character with tell me guys, tell me the meaning of this line. Can anyone tell me meaning of this line? Here I am checking first character and the last character. If both are not equal, directly return false. Okay, if both are not equal, directly I am returning false. As I said while explaining, if first character and last character is not matched, directly I will tell false. After that I will increase start value. If it is not there means if this condition is not satisfied. If this condition is not satisfied, it won't execute. False statement is not executed. Then start plus plus end minus minus. Start plus plus end minus minus guys. Okay, that's it. After completing this while loop, if it is not returning false means after completing this while loop, it is not returning false means it is a palindrome guys. Okay, that's it. If the characters does not match, then directly it will return false. It may be first character, last character, it may be second character and last but one character. See here, in while loop first these two will be compared. Okay, if these two is same, then second iteration these two will be compared. In second iteration these two will be compared. If all the things are compared and the if condition is not satisfied, that means all are equal, at that time it will come out of the while loop and it will return true. Let me take one false scenario. Okay, tell me one false scenario. String itself I will take. Okay, I will take a character as string. In this, these two are not matched, right? These two are not matched. The first iteration itself it will return false. Understood guys? Any doubts in this method? Any doubts in this palindrome method? Is palindrome method? If you are having any doubts, please ask me. Okay, I am posting a poll for you. If you have any doubt, this is very important problem guys. Okay, very important. No doubts, no doubts. Very good, very good. Thank you guys. Now from the main method I will call this method. Okay, I will take scanner import. I will take scanner class. Enter a string. Now I am asking the user to enter a string. After user entering, I will call a method called If is palindrome of, I will call next method, guys. In the argument itself, I am calling to decrease the length of the code. You can write like this. You can write like this and you can pass here S1. Like this you can call it. But to decrease the length of the code, I am calling directly, okay? Okay, I will explain once more, okay, no problem. Now we are done with palindrome, right? In the palindrome itself, we have multiple programs. Every time I am writing, I will explain you. It is not done. It is just a program to check the given string is palindrome or not. But in the last class, I have told, right, all possible palindromes, the biggest palindrome. You need to print all this. For this also same method. Just we will write few more things to it, okay? Else not a palindrome. Now let's check, guys, okay? Will it work or not? Without converting string, you can do it, okay? Without converting string also you can do it. I will tell how it is also, okay? Without converting to characters also you can do it. It's possible. See, whenever I entered madam, it is giving me palindrome. Let me run one more time. Malayalam. It is a palindrome, right? Who is that person asking now trading syllabus? At the day one itself, we have told, right, what the syllabus you will learn. Full core Java you will learn here, okay? Okay, no problem. Done, guys. Any doubt in this? Now, if you want case sensitive, let me tell one more scenario here. According to us, madam is a palindrome, right? Madam is a palindrome, but first character is capital letter and the end character is small letter. At the time, you will get it's not a palindrome. To solve this issue, first we need to convert this to lowercase, okay? Either you need to convert it to lowercase or to uppercase. Anyone you can use it, guys, okay? To lowercase or to uppercase. According to your use, you can use whatever you want. Now I am getting it's a palindrome. Yeah, Raju, your program is just swapping the characters in a word, right? Swapping the characters in a word. I think so. This program is already done. This program is already done, okay? Now, my question is I will enter a string. I want to print all the possible palindromes, okay? Now, I will enter a string. In that string, I want all possible palindromes. How it is means, see here. See, I will enter like this, guys. Okay. Tell me how many possible palindromes are there in Malayalam. Tell me what are the possibilities in this string Malayalam. Should respond, guys. If you respond, I will complete one more program today. Is it boring? Is the topic boring, guys? For this, just in this method, I will create another class. See, guys, now I am creating a one more class. In this class, I have my main method. Did I want to write is palindrome method one more time, or can I use old one, guys? Can I use old method, or do you want one more time? Okay, no problem. I will write one more time without converting into characters. Now I will write it. Okay, without changing into characters, the string itself I will convert. Okay, the string itself I will convert. Now I will change the arguments. Yes, see here. This is a different scenario. See here. Okay, string s comma int start. While calling a method itself, I am providing the start and end values. Okay, while calling a method itself, I will provide the start value and end value. Directly by the user itself, I will provide the start and end values. Okay. Understood, guys? While calling this method itself, I will give string argument, start value and end value. No problem, right? I can give n number of arguments. By this, now I will check. Directly I will write while loop. While start is less than len, if s dot character at start not equal to s dot character at end. If first character and last character is not equal, then directly I will return false. If it is equal, then start plus plus and minus minus. If after completing the while loop, I will return true. Understood, guys? Any doubt in this method? If you are facing any doubt, please ask now itself. Because strings under S are most important topics. When you are going to interview, there are more chances to ask programs in strings under S itself. Now, see. Now my question is, I need to print all possible palindromes. Now I will ask user to enter a string. Okay. Now my user will enter a string. After that, I will take that string. Okay. First, I will take and store it in a string. String s1 equal to s dot next method dot. Now I will take two uppercase. Okay. Whatever you want, you can take it. Two uppercase, two lowercase. Based on your usage, you can take it. Now tell me, guys, how how it is possible to check all possible palindromes? Anyone having any idea? Anyone have any idea? User will enter like this. I need to print all possible palindromes. Should respond, guys. Please respond if you respond. No, sir. Okay, very good, very good. Guys, did you know about substring? Guys, did you know concept called substring? Did I explain that? No? Okay, now let me explain that substring concept. Before going to this, let me take one more class. I forgot to explain about substring concept. Okay, I think so. See guys, now I will explain just one small method. Okay, before this I will try to store it in a variable. See guys, now I am calling a method called substring. For this substring, I need to give two arguments, guys. Okay, one argument is start index. Okay, start index and end value, length of the string. Okay, my start index is 0 and the string I want is, and the string I should specify that length. Okay, I want a string with length of 3. Okay, this is the length, guys. Okay, don't confuse that. It is not a index value. Whatever I am giving as a second argument, it is the length of the string. First one is the index, second one is the length value. Now if I try to execute it, see now in Aavanto I want a substring, guys. My substring is 0 to 3. 0 index is 0, that is A, and length is 3. That means index value is 2, right? Length is 3 means index is 2. Am I correct? Is that clear, guys? Length 3 means index is 2. Now index 2 means 0, 1, 2. Now my output will be AAV. If you check, my output is AAV. Am I correct, guys? Understood? That's it. Substring means it is a method which is provided by the string class, which will accept two arguments, start index and length of the string. Okay, substring is a method which will accept start value and the length of the string as an argument. Now just follow the code, guys. By seeing the code you will understand. After writing the code I will explain you. Okay, it is very simple, so I don't want to waste your time because already we are in late. So by explaining one after typing again explaining, it will take lot of time. So first I will write the code. See that code. By seeing you will get 90% clear. After completing the code I will explain line by line each and every line. Okay, I will explain the code each and every line. How many times you want I will explain that many times. Is it okay for you? Can I write the code first? Respond, guys. Can I write the code first? Because of time issues only I am doing this, guys. Okay, do you know about for loops, right? Did you guys know about for loop? I think so everyone is clear with for loops. Now here I will use only for loop, guys. Okay, for loop and if condition. Now I will use for loop and if condition. First I will take one for loop for outer loop. Okay, for outer loop I will take, first see here, my first for loop is for I will take this character. Okay, I will take this character and I will keep it constant. Okay, this is constant. First this is constant. In the next iteration I will take this one. I will check this both are palindrome or not. I will take next character and I will send it to is palindrome method. If it is a palindrome it will give me palindrome. Next, if it is not done, next I will take one more character, this string substrings. Okay, first ma I will send it to is palindrome method, then mal, then again mala. Understood, guys? malay. Like this I will divide substrings and I will pass that substrings to is palindrome method. Are you clear? Please tell me, guys, are you clear? Are you getting an idea? First in this string I will take one letter as constant. I will keep m as constant and then I will iterate all the characters. I will iterate all the characters. First ma. Is this a palindrome? It is not a palindrome. mal. It is also not a palindrome. mala. It is also not a palindrome. malay. It is also not a palindrome. Like this I will send all the strings. After that I will take a. I will start with a. Okay, al. Is it a palindrome? No. Then I will take ala. ala is a palindrome. Then again I will take alay. It is not a palindrome. alay. Then again it will be a palindrome. Are you getting a brief idea? Are you able to visualize it, guys? What I am doing here? Are you able to visualize the what I am doing here? Yes, right? See, now this for loop is for, first I will take one for loop for iterating, making constants. Okay, what I am doing, first I will take first character, I will keep it constant and then I will iterate all the characters. Then in the second iteration I will take a, I will keep a as constant and then I will iterate, right? For doing that I need two loops. For taking first character, one loop, loop 1 for first character and then remaining characters. For this I need one more loop. If I want to say in simple, Just now I explained substring, right? What are the arguments for substring, guys? Please tell me what are the arguments for substring? What are the arguments for substring? I need arguments of this, guys, okay? Index and length, right? First one is index and then length. Well done, guys. For index, I will use one for loop. For length, I will use another for loop, okay? Loop 1, first loop, and this is second loop, okay? Understood? Now clear? For index value, I will use one loop. For length value, I will use second for loop. For index, I will use one for loop. For length value, I will use another for loop. Are you clear? Yeah. Now see. For int I equal to 0, I less than equal to, I don't want less than, I'll use directly length, okay? Less than length. I plus plus. Inside this for loop, by, okay, I will comment here. This loop is for, this is for, this loop is for start index of substring method, okay? Now I will create one more for loop. Anyone having doubt here? Sir, you may ask why you are taking I plus 1. You may ask why, sir, you are taking I plus 1. Are you having doubt in this line? You are a big developer, right? You can understand. You know that second for loop is for length value. If my index is 5, then length should be 6, right? If my index is 5, then length should be 6. It should not be 4, it should not be 3, right? If I'm starting from here, then I should go like this only, right? I should not go like this. This is a wrong way. This is the right way, right? I should go in the forward direction. That's why I'm taking plus 1. After this, simple guys, 90% code is over. 90% code is over. Just simply write palindrome method, okay, program, okay? See, if you see means, here I am passing the string, I am passing the start value and length, right? Both I am passing. That means, like it is a substring, right? You can say it is a substring. Without doing substring method, I am directly passing start value and end value here, okay? Understood, guys? Without substring method, I am doing directly start and end value. If you want to use substring method, you can delete this both 2 and you can use directly substring s1 dot substring of I comma j. You can use like that also, you can use like this also. If it is a palindrome, then I will print that, okay? System.out.println s1 dot substring of I comma j plus 1. That's it, guys, okay? If you want to check, you can check. This is the program. Wait, I will reduce the lines of code, okay? By that you can see in a single line. See guys, are you able to see this? Is it visible for you? I have entered a string called Malayalam. Now I am getting all the possible substrings, all the possible palindromes. Malayalam is a palindrome, ALA is a palindrome, ALAYALA, it is a palindrome, loyal is a palindrome. Got it right? Any doubts? Any doubt guys? Now if you are done with this, in the same program itself I will do a small modification, okay? Now my question is, I don't want to print all the palindromes. I don't want all the palindromes. I want only the biggest palindrome guys. Tell me which is the biggest palindrome in this? In this palindromes, tell me which is the biggest palindrome. Tell me which is the biggest palindrome guys. Malayalam. So I want to print only Malayalam. I want to print only Malayalam. If you see here, now I will try to enter a different scenario. First I will enter a duplicate characters, then I will enter Malayalam. Like this I have given guys. This is my string, a random given string. This is my string. Now I will run this. In this, it is giving all possible palindromes. Here I want the biggest palindrome. I don't want to print all these guys. I don't want remaining all. I want only the biggest palindrome. Then how it is possible? See, just I will copy all these things. I will copy all these things and I will create one more class called big palindrome. For making you clear only, I am doing in separate method guys, okay? Separate class. Here, take a duplicate variable guys, okay? Take a empty string. Duplicate string called big palindrome. Here I will store my palindrome, okay? Whatever the palindrome I feel big, I will store in this and I will print that. Before printing this statement, remove this statement. If it is a palindrome, again check string temp equal to now I am getting my substring, right? Now this substring I will check first, okay? I will check the substring first with my big palindrome. If temp dot length is greater than big palindrome, big palindrome dot length. Here I am comparing the big palindrome length with the substring. If my big palindrome length is smaller and temp is big, then big palindrome equal to temp. I will assign like this, okay? After completing all these for loops, Just I will print that. That's it guys. This is the program. Here I am taking a duplicate variable, that means empty string, which in which I will store the big palindrome. Okay, whatever I feel that big, I will store in that. To store that, I will check first. I will take the substring. I will compare the length. Okay, I think one person said check the length. In the if condition, I am comparing the length. If the substring length is bigger than my big palindrome length, then I will modify my big palindrome to substring. That's it guys. It's very simple. Okay. Now let me take something. This is a big one. It is feeling that it is big one. But let me check one more time. See, it is giving me the only big palindrome. Okay. It is giving me the only the biggest palindrome. Understood guys? If I try, tell me what is the biggest palindrome in this guys. Tell me now. Here now I am giving not Malayalam. I changed my last character. Now the big palindrome is not Malayalam. Now tell me what is the output? Which is the biggest palindrome here? No. ALAYALA is the biggest palindrome. Okay. Only these two is not matched. First and last is not matched. Then remaining all are matched. Okay. Any doubt until now guys? Anyone having these doubts? In this program, anyone facing doubts? Now I have a question for you guys. Will you guys okay for weekend class? If I take class tomorrow, will you guys attend? Just I am posting a poll guys based on that, and I won't take more time. Okay, tomorrow class I will explain just one program. By that we can complete strings. Okay, duty festival one class is gone. Due to my internet issues one class is gone. We are lagging with two classes. Tomorrow let me take, if you are okay with, tell me the timings also. We can change timings for tomorrow's class. Okay. Are you okay with 7 to 8? Oh, 89% are okay with the class. Are you okay with 7 to 8 or okay with 8 to 9? Yeah. Afternoon 2 to 3. Tell me the evening timings. Yes, same time okay with you? Let me give you a poll. Okay. 7 to 8 or 8 to 9. Make a poll guys. Make a poll. Based on the poll I will plan. Okay. %71% people are okay with 7 to 8. Okay. Then okay, we will go with 7 to 8 because I think so tomorrow a big IPL match is there. How many are watching IPL now, guys? By placing this class separately, opening and in one tab, and you can see some are seeing IPL. I think so. Yeah, definitely I will give interview questions. Don't worry. Still, we have some classes. It will take around 1 week more. Okay. In coming next week, I am going to end your batch. Following score. Okay, very good. Multitasking persons you are. You guys are multitaskers, right? You are upcoming developers. No man, up to now, no SQL training. Okay, let me check that mark. I don't know about your marks, okay? About mock interviews. You should ask with your HRs. Just I am trainer, okay? Faculty. I am not the person who said SQL. I think Ramana sir told you, right? The first day in class, sir told you that. I think so. Yeah, Bhayankara developers. You are the future generation. You are the future developers. In coming 1 and 2 years, you are the future of India. Okay, you guys are okay with tomorrow's class, right? So don't miss tomorrow. A interesting program, guys. Okay, it is string balance. Tomorrow I will talk about string balance. String balance means, see here, it is simple. Here I am opening like this. This is the balance string, guys. Okay, if you check here, I am opening inside this opening braces. Inside this opening flower brace, I am writing one opening parenthesis and closing parenthesis. The next itself I am doing, and then one square and one closing and opening square. If you check, it is in a systematic order, right? If one is open, immediately that is closing, right? If one brace is opening, it is following a structure, right? Matched. This we call it string balance, guys. Okay, this program we call it string balance. For that we will write, for that we will write a program in tomorrow's class. In that you will learn one new topic, also one new concept. After that, if you are having any doubt in string programs, or if you want any program to be explained, I will explain in tomorrow's class. Yeah, you will get your certificate, guys. Don't worry. Based on your attendance, you will get your certificate. Yeah. Hey, there are a lot of topics. I'm telling, right? You will learn tomorrow a new concept. That is string buffer, string builder only. Okay. Up to now, all are clear, right? Anyone having doubt in this program? If you want the program, you can take, guys. Okay. You want guys this? Guys, do you want these programs or not? Yeah. Collections will be covered, guys. Okay, don't worry. Collections will be covered, don't worry. I will only teach the collections part. Tomorrow, by the end of tomorrow, it will be completed with string concept. On Monday class, you will learn. In Monday and Tuesday, you will learn arrays. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, you will learn arrays. And then Thursday and Friday, you will learn about collections. Okay, guys, is that okay? I am not competent with exception handling. Maybe this that classes will be handled by Ramana sir. I don't know. We will see. Okay. Whom you want, guys? Did I need to explain exceptions or Ramana sir? Whom you want? Whom you want as a trainer, guys, for exceptions and multi-threading? Anyone is okay for us. That's the conference. Okay. That's all for today, guys. We will meet in tomorrow's class. By sharp 7 o'clock, I will start the class. Sharp 7 o'clock. By sharp 7 o'clock, I will start the class and I will start with the directly program itself. Tomorrow I will discuss about string balance and go through some programs, guys. Okay, go through some string programs. If you are facing any difficulty, ask me. I will explain that program in tomorrow's class. After string balance, if you want any program to be explained, if you want to explain any program, I will explain that. That's based on your interest. Okay. There is no link for certificate. Okay, based on your attendance, it will be provided. Okay, that's all for today, guys. Before going, just take a screenshot of this program. Make a note of these programs. Okay, again you will come and ask, sir, where is the notes? Take a note of it. If you said done, I will move to next program. Is this done, guys? Thank you. Take this. Don't worry, by the end of the class sessions, I will provide you a good material also. I will provide you a good material. By seeing that material only, you can understand all the topics. Take this one too. But don't ask in middle, guys. Okay, sir, provide me the material. I need to prepare it, right? I am not preparing what I am teaching. Okay, directly I am coming and teaching for you. Okay, so if you want a material, I need to sit and prepare that. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye. Good night, guys. See you tomorrow.